Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Con Life. Welcome to the channel. So I got a friend that's pulling up very shortly in his new car that he just picked up. It's a pretty cool car. It's rare. It's hard to come by, and the markup is kind of insane for what it is. But there's a lot of hype behind this car. I think it's pretty cool. So let's check it out and give you guys a sneak peek at what it's all about and is it worth it. There it is, guys. The Corolla GR. It actually looks nice. Never thought I'd say this. I mean, I got a Corolla of my own, but I never thought I'd say this. But this thing actually looks pretty cool. Hey, Joel. What's going on, man? This is it, huh? Your new car. Corolla GR. When did you pick this up?
2 months ago.
2 months ago?
Yeah.
Now, I'm sure everyone wants to know, how much did you pay? Did you have to pay over MSRP?
No, but I have to get the, the additional insurance and then the
So you got it?
Ceramic coating, right?
Oh, okay. So you paid MSRP?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
No, not MSRP, but they added the, it's like you have to get the.
Oh, they add on other
coating,
fees.
And then about 3,000 insurance, so 6,000 plus the tax, so plus 6,000.
What was the total?
Is
Over 50?
50, yeah.
Oh, God. 50,000 for a Corolla.
Yeah.
But it's a cool looking Corolla.
Ride it.
Check this out, guys. Man, this car looks nice stuff.
It's limited. Nobody has it in there's only 11 in Illinois.
Only 11 sold so far, right? Man.
They don't know.
Yeah, they're hard to come by. Yeah. Man, it looks good. You got the GR emblem on this.
It's small but terrible.
Oh, yeah. You having fun with it yet?
Huh?
Have you been having fun with it?
No, this is the first time I drove it.
Oh, first time driving
It's
it?
in my garage.
Oh.
Because of the weather.
Yeah.
I have to bring it out. It's like it's like
Oh, you got 3 exhausts on the back?
The middle opens and up and close.
Oh, okay. So you got a flap on the middle one.
And, yeah, when it's turbo.
Oh, the middle one's on right now, though. I think you mean the outside open up?
It closes when it's needed. Like when
Oh, got it.
When I space certain RPM, it goes on the.
How much trunk space you got?
Like
So
yeah,
it's pretty tight in the back.
I didn't know that. See, I have to touch the button.
Yeah, it is Corolla, so there's a lot of tight space in here. Not a lot of legroom in the back.
Not much. But it's a rally car. What can I expect?
Right?
Not even the interior.
Actually, it looks pretty good for a Toyota Corolla interior.
Look at the brake. They are bigger than the Tundra. They're bigger than a Tundra.
Is that what the dealer told you?
Yes, it's bigger.
Oh
than
man,
the
it looks like
Tundra.
the same size as my RCFs.
Is it?
Hold on, let's compare that.
Oh. Of course.
No, I'm bigger. There you go.
So.
All right, first drive. Smells brand new still, of course. How many miles you got? Oh, 184.
Yeah.
It's comfy, huh?
It is. You can ride it.
You want me to drive it?
Ah.
It's nice.
See, up to here.
Once the car's broken in, we gotta go fast.
Oh.
It's not broken in yet, right?
Not yet.
How's the clutch on it? Is it soft?
It's just fine.
Yeah.
I drove the Subaru. You remember I have an STI?
Yeah.
So
How does this compare to an
like it
STI?
better.
This is better.
Because I have an IMT too. I can do the IMT.
Oh, like what is that? Like
The
rev match?
Rev match.
still got to learn the clutch, huh?
It's just
It's a little different.
They're saying the clutch of the Civic Type R is better, but you know, nobody cares. As long as you have any of those. These are all the Type R, you know.
All right, guys, I'm gonna give this car a test drive.
I'll hold it.
All digital gauge display, huh? Is it automatic? Oh, it's all manual?
All manual,
Oh,
yeah.
this car is how it's
a rally
supposed to
bred.
be.
Yeah.
You don't need all that extra luxury.
Take off.
It's torquey. Wait, is this turbo?
Yes.
I didn't even know that. I just
Yes,
heard
it
the
is. It
turbo
is.
spooling on this thing. You can tell I didn't do any research on this car. I just think it's cool though.
3-cylinder turbo.
3-cylinder turbo. Can I push it a little?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there you go.
It's okay. Yeah, see, you're the second. Wow. Oh. See,
Yeah,
it can handle itself.
yeah, this thing's actually pretty impressive.
Yeah. Oh. Who wants electric?
Yeah, this is where it's at, man. This is actually pretty. It's actually fun driving this thing.
Yeah, you know.
I've driven a lot of cars. I gotta say, this is actually
yeah,
fun.
that's why.
Yeah. It's actually a pretty cool
You
car.
have a feel on it.
Yeah, congrats, man. I'm happy for you. This is a cool car.
Good. It's all-wheel drive.
Yeah, all-wheel drive, 3-cylinder, turbo, rally car. That's what it is. Well, there you folks have it. Low-key, I kind of want it. It's a pretty cool car, but I can't justify that price tag. Well, stay tuned. I'm going to try to get some more footage of this car, and once it's broken loose, we'll check it out. Thanks for watching, guys.